sukat mo. Bago mo sasakyan yung susi, check for ship kung nakapark or naka-neutral tsaka naka-handbrake for safety. Sasakyan yung susi, may dalawang key point yan. Accessories, ignition on. So habang naka-ignition on, hindi mo mawala yung mga ilang indicator lights. Pag ready na, press the brake, start. Yun. Okay na.
Yun pa. Una na natin gagawin is magsiseatbelt tayo for safety. And second is check natin tong gear kung naka-parking ba or neutral, and then i-check natin tong handbrake. Pagkatapos nyan, i-start na natin siya. 1 2 yan. Then 10 na lang natin yung indicator light. Tapos apak ng brake, and then yan, okay na.